Amazing opportunity for investment and also for primary residence in prime Cary location, Muse at Preston Ridge by Dreamfinders Homes. I want to show you one of the townhomes that we went under contract with. You're going to love it, and the incentives that we negotiated for our clients are out of this world. So let's go inside and check it out. So as we enter, you see that you have a set of stairs that's going to take you to the kitchen and to the living room area, and also you have a room here. So the point and the most important thing to consider is the fact that people, especially with COVID, need extra space. They need space for their maybe mother-in-law or teenagers, or simply space for themselves for an office. The fact that the builders are taking this in consideration over and over again with all these people coming to North Carolina is huge. Not only are they adding extra rooms, but they're also adding bathrooms, and not just powder rooms, but you see, even if it's a small shower, there's a space for you to or for your guests to shower, to use the restroom, and they don't have to interfere at all with your family life. That's the entrance to the garage, and so they can just come in, or you can come in from the garage and you can go straight up and not have to bother them at all. So someone can have full privacy here, which is absolutely amazing, and it's good to buy something with a room down here, because again, it can be rented for more, and definitely extra square footage that adds to your return on investment when it comes to selling. So as you can see, as you come up the stairs, you have a beautiful floor plan that really makes sense in my opinion. I see some new construction where you don't really have space for your dining table, and also some of the buyers are really concerned about the fact that they don't have space to put a sectional and their TV, which this space here really does cover all of those questions, right? So it's really about functionality. You cook, your family is here in this area, and then your TV can be there. A 70-inch definitely fits in between these two windows, and you have space for a big sectional and also for a table without actually interfering with getting outside there on your balcony. So there's many benefits to buying new construction right now, besides the fact that you have all the bells and whistles, you have the warranties, you don't have to do anything, and if something breaks, depending on the type of the warranties, you just call the builder and they come, especially in that first year, and they address any concerns. Also, you might not want a full-blown white kitchen. That's perfectly fine. However, the amount of energy savings that we see with new construction, right? The type of installation that they have, and also many things like a lot of windows that are brand new. Everything is brand new. Flooring, HVAC, water heater. Think about the fact that in North Carolina, we have a lot of humidity, and we do have termites, and we do have moisture. So the crawl space can be an issue, and it could be a money pit. So many people look at resale, they look at new construction. Sometimes they feel that new construction is a little sterile. Like I said, they might not want the full-blown white kitchen and everything looks so hospital-like. However, there are pros and cons. It does not have to be a forever investment. It can be something that you buy right now, especially with the builder incentives, and you keep or you sell in 5 to 10 years, and you're definitely going to see appreciation, because Raleigh is a state that has been appreciating forever and ever, and it's not falling the way other states are falling when the economy is not quite as good. This was a longer talk than I expected it to be here in the kitchen, but I will take you to the second floor. So I forgot to mention that you have this half bath here before you go upstairs. So you do have that as well, just from a functionality perspective. Okay, let's go up. So as you come up here, you have several bedrooms, or 2 bedrooms there to the left, and you have the master here. So let's not forget that we have that room downstairs that you access straight from the garage. It's a beautiful master bedroom with a big walk-in closet. Again, very typical for North Carolina. Bright, and 2 vanities, big tall shower with a sitting area, and toilet, window. I think it's super nice, super cozy, not a lot of unused space. This is the washer dryer area. Remember, we negotiate washer and dryer here in North Carolina. It does not come with the house. And you have first bedroom and second bedroom. The light here is absolutely mesmerizing. I love a house with bright light. It's always been my must-haves. Our property is filled with light and it really can change your energy, it can change your mood. And yeah, I love the light in this particular townhome here in Cary. Okay, so this is the bathroom upstairs that is being shared by these two rooms. Whoever will reside in these two rooms has a bathroom. They have a bathroom to share. One sink. I wish there were two sinks, but I guess, you know, kids can definitely share a sink. They will learn sharing for sure. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. This townhome is absolutely beautiful. And as I said, we've negotiated an amazing deal for our clients. If you have any questions regarding relocating to Cary, maybe renting for the first couple of years or investing, there's plenty of people that are coming here. They have kids that are going to Duke, to NC State, UNC Chapel Hill, so they're investing here. Yes, the market is very different from a couple of years ago, but we still have multiple offers. So with any questions on relocating, buying new construction, remember, we represent you and only you, which means that we negotiate, we look at incentives, and we negotiate closing costs and all those good things that any home buyer needs. This is your biggest investment, so do not hesitate to connect with us here at the Prosperous Agency. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and thank you so much for supporting our YouTube channel.